In this video, I'll show you how to change the workspace name in Base44 quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, so go ahead and click it. This opens up your account and workspace options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This is where you can manage different parts of your Base44 account and the workspace. Once the settings page opens, click Overview. This section contains the main workspace details, including the name. Now look for the text box under Workspace Name. Click inside that field and type in the new name you want for your workspace. Make sure the name is spelled correctly before moving on. After you've entered the new workspace name, click Save Changes. Base44 will update the workspace name right away, and that's it. You've successfully changed the workspace name in Base44. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.